Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making the app production ready. Create a virtualenv, install Flask and Unicorn, then run pip freeze to produce requirements. TXD so Azure installs exact packages. Next, confirm your Flask entry point, app, pi with app variable or a package, because the startup command will reference it. Then, open a terminal and log in with as login. After that, create a resource group and an app service plan. Once done, you'll have the foundation to create the web app and push code. You now configure the service and deploy. Create the web app with as web app create, specifying Python runtime and plan. Make sure the runtime matches runtime. TXD. Then set the startup command, typically Unicorn with binding to 0, 0, 0, 0 and your module, path, because Azure needs that to serve requests. Once configured, pick a deploy method, local git for quick pushes, GitHub Actions for CI/CD, or as web app up or zip deploy for one-step uploads. Make sure app settings like Python path and environment variables are set before starting. You finish by validating the deployment. Tail the logs with as web app logtail to confirm the app bound to the correct port and that Unicorn started. This tells you why a 500 or startup failure happened. Then enable HTTPS and add a custom domain if required, and scale or set up deployment slots for safer releases. If something breaks, first check the startup command and requirements, reinstall dependencies, correct the module, path, restart the web app, and examine the live logs to iterate quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.